Hi children, these seems to have lost their babies and let us help them finding. The cow lost its calf, don't know where it is. Likewise, butterfly, kangaroo, lion, duck, cat and dog. So here is a cat. Where is its kitten? Baby cat? Can you find out where is baby cat? Here it is. You see how we have to trace? These are all trapped in the maze. This is called maze. And we have to find a route. We have to find a way to reach them. Okay? So for this, let us join the dots for this cat to reach its baby cat. Let us join these dots. Cat, come here, follow this line, follow this line, follow this line, and come out, go like this, and go inside. Yes, here is your baby. Okay, cat got its baby. Now let us help dog. Where is its puppy? This is puppy, baby dog. Okay, let us help. Cat is taking its baby. Let us remove this line. And dog. Hi dog, please come here. Here is your baby. Like this, follow this, follow this, go inside. This is your baby. Dog got its puppy. Okay, they're happy. Now let us help cow to find its calf. Where is the calf? Here is the calf. Okay, this is cow. Okay, let us go inside through this route. Come like this. Come like this. Oh, this is baby cat. No, that is not my baby. This is cub. Baby lion. No, that's not my baby. So, like this. Follow like this. Follow like this. Yes, here is your calf. Okay, cow got its calf. Okay, now let us help butterfly. Butterfly baby is caterpillar. This is caterpillar. Let us help butterfly to find its baby caterpillar. Enter this. Butterfly. Let us go like this, go like this. Oh, this is calf. No, that is not my baby. Follow like this, follow this line, enter this. Yes, this is my baby. Got it. Butterfly got its caterpillar. Now let us help kangaroo to find its baby. Here is kangaroo baby. Okay, let us enter this. This side seems there is no way to go to the kangaroo. So let us follow this route. Like this. Come out. Go like this. This, enter. Oh, this is puppy, dog's baby. No, that's not my baby. Go like this. Come out. Enter. Yes, this is my baby. Kangaroo got its baby. Now let us help lion to find its cub. Where is the cub? Here is the cub. So shall we go like this or like this? No, we have to take this route, and we cannot go this way. Okay, let us enter. Okay, lion, let us go to your cup. Okay, enter like this. And now this way. Come out. Enter again. Yes, here is your cup. So lion got its cup. Now let us find the duckling for duck, baby duck. Here is duckling. Here is duckling. Okay, duck, let us go. Come, come, come. Let us follow this. Go inside. Yes, yes, yes. Here is your baby. Quack, quack. Your duckling is here. Everybody got its baby's back. So, for cow, it is calf. C A L F. For butterfly, it is caterpillar. C A T E R. Caterpillar. A P I L L A R. Caterpillar. Kangaroo also got its baby. Baby kangaroo is called Joy. J O E Y. Joy. Okay, now lion's baby is cub. This is cub. C U P. This is duck and its baby is duckling. D U C K L I N G. Duckling. Now the cat. Cat baby is kitten. K. Now the cat baby is kitten. K I T T E N. Kitten. Now what is dog's baby? It is puppy. P U P P Y. Puppy. We helped them these all to find their babies. Okay children, let's have more fun in the next class.